Khangzone noi na sana ran bana chumba ngamni khanno pik palam da gi pora panoi di ni maga pik pataba history da fellow banoi na history gi wangang no Boris jeng na pancham kana thari mayam na khungak sillu mariba.
Yo, what's up everyone? Sibai Kale Move, Cookie people, Jomi, all of you guys. So yeah, Nadam Namo guys, welcome back. This is your African boy here, Gabs Gabi and Long from Africa guys. So they gave me one suggested video by the title 700 Remake Kisai official music video guys. So let's check it. That is the official lyrics guys. Let's check the lyric. So the video is not out, but lyric is there. Let's check it out guys. I'm gonna sing for you officially. I will sing for you. I don't know the language, but only little guys, but I will, since it's lyric, why can I not sing? Thank you so much for all the support guys. Keep supporting, put on the bell. God bless you all. Peace out. 700. The 7 is in bloody color, red. Remy. This is the artist, BMG record. Let's go, show us.
Tudi toys in tuni sanin ni rosing email ma tuni chan hin lung khalin ni bangui ke gela say singing sonin lung kham hi una ti simpan kitsa hi in alkin ni ho hi adipa ipin kapanin ipin ka sai da dem imin ai boin pan talem ngai dam thum khat to hum po tha khadem lung dong hin min ding ai boy thil hale batina bang ki boy lung dong hin a formless te tudi na mura me te say din do din lam kai tung isay tin daw din lam kai tung aku dia nompo na kidila day pon hila ipay di nompon hila imar di nompon ki vai pay ding at sun vai ding boy na lon di law do say ka hilaw ki pum khating dia hang sam zo till never chum boy da pote nam do na in matong pote lam hun na din mo zo te lam madang boy da pote lam thang ta bang ta pote
Ishante tang
Dingele Friday pick per me and Nile Boris ga Jack RK Lamzwale oi masa Khangzone noi na sana ran bana chumba ngamni khanno pick per lam da gi pora panoi di ni maga pick pataba history da fellow banoi na history gi wangang no Boris jeng na pancham kana thari mayam na khungak sillu mariba gi damak ta di siba ngam man bawani madi siba pam di ma isay saksaningi achum marandi khangdana mapuna haibata inba hui dinang ni anyem badi wang hanno badak leite kam doni nom thakta tin si di maida tabni kau khamale saktu na wai chai kremo impanda Ginang na hay banaron khakni ngakti yaude yam pike na ramgumna Bowlands gumbana lutsing banoibu Kiam sang na butsat ke khalino nang gi yauda bana ngaktu na hen na sakre Mani nang hay bayaya pik pagi say ne sidi Kunki singalam da chat laga si badi hay bani moide Zumi no girelli di fajana sing kabarelli ni Mariba gumna pik pa ni sinadi pa kumpi rock ni thasade Moidi hay jaba leite kaina ba isay na tana
Tinggang. This is the Tinggang.
Achumbadi sattaba Achumbadi yaudre na samgumna Chumi nang di lai shram ni asing bahai badi yaudre moidi Anoi bangakta na ngaire moidi Angau bani kalamba na luching e moidi Pakta bakang budi yam kre moidi Tingang na simba ngamba numida Mu basu ngaw ni enem basu wang ni Ti basu fajani Naram di adum pik haurani Plastic budi plastic oi hauni Yenge tingang na kay dawa Page hai bado
Okay guys, actually this music has no English subtitle. Like honestly I didn't understood anything from this music video. And meanwhile also within the video they're showing a lot of pictures there. And you just have to tell me guys, you just have to tell me, because since you're the one who suggested this music video, you have to tell me What is the meaning behind this? They say Rema don't need gun to kill Mite. He killed them with just a pencil. Oh shit. So this song is a cookie song. Basically it's a cookie song from the comment I can understand, guys. So I think this song is by the Kuki people against the Métis. Even Métis cannot rap in their own language like Reme did. What? Métis cannot rap in their own language like the Reme did. What? Which language do the Métis speak, guys? Because what I know, Métis, most of them, they are Hindu people. I think Hindu people, okay, Hindu people of Manipur. So basically they speak their local language. I think their tribal language is there. I was thinking like if you're Hindu, then or then you have to speak Hindi. I thought maybe they will be speaking Hindi, but I'm pretty sure they also speak their tribal language. I think they also speak Kuki, right? Which language do the Métis, the tribe of Métis speak, guys? Even Métis cannot rap in their own language like Reme. And Reme is from which place, guys? Let me know. It's from which place, from which tribe. This is Keshid, man. Hello, Reme, bro, from Tamil Nadu. Hello, Reme. I'm from Africa, man. Anyway, just listening to this song, I feel like I hear up so good, guys. Like coming overall when speaking of the talent of the singer, like everything was good. Like the guy has talent apart from whatever lyric it mean. I don't know what it mean, but I'm just commenting, giving my review, point of view on the singer. Like he's a good singer, guys. He's a good singer because music is a universal language. The guy really has so nice beat and it sounds so good, and the flow was matching with the beat, guys. All the best. Anyway, wishing you all the peace, guys. Thank you so much. Love from Africa. Till next time.